exciting day. Next month, we're doing the Funball rally. Guess what just arrived? Should we have a look? There's t-shirts as well. I mean, it's life without a t-shirt. Yay! Follows a rally handbook that has routes, maps and shit, and places we're staying. Whoa! Better than that. We've got a walkie-talkie.
Welcome, one.
Hello. Hello. No one there yet. What's next? Charger for walkie-talkie. Yeah, probably need that. Car stickers. We're team number 4. Oops. We're driving an MG6. We should have asked to have been team 6. Left out a bit late. What's next? Another number for the other side. And it's big stickers. Look at them. One for each door, one for the bonnet. Massive. And a banner one. Go across the back. And that's it. Got a month to get them on the car before we go. Follow, like, all that crap. There'll be more. Be seeing you.